In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open tickets in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to open an order ticket in TradingView using 4 built-in methods and know that each ticket supports market, limit, and stop orders. First, use the plus button on the price scale. On your chart's price scale, click the small plus icon. As you click, the order ticket opens immediately. You'll see fields like side, quantity, price, and order type. This action only opens the ticket. No trade is sent until you confirm on the ticket itself. Next, use the buy and sell buttons in the chart legend. Look at the chart legend area and click buy or click sell. This opens the order ticket with the side you clicked already selected. Again, this just brings up the ticket so you can review the details before placing anything. Now, right-click on the chart and select Trade, then Create New Order. Right-click anywhere on the chart to open the context menu. Hover over Trade, and then click Create New Order. The ticket appears on screen, ready for you to review. If you right-click near a specific price level, the ticket may reference that level, which helps you place price-based orders more precisely. As before, nothing is submitted yet. You're simply opening the ticket. From here, use the Trade button in the Account Manager. In the Account Manager, click Trade. This opens a fresh order ticket where you can set the side, quantity, and order type. If you prefer working from your account controls, this is a straightforward way to bring up the same ticket interface. At this point, you've seen all 4 ways to open an order ticket in TradingView: the plus on the price scale, the buy/sell buttons in the chart legend, the right-click Trade menu with Create New Order, and the Trade button inside the Account Manager. Each method lands you on the same ticket, so choose whichever is fastest for how you work. Tickets support market, limit, and stop orders. In the ticket, open the Order Type menu and select the option you need. Market places the order at the current available price, which is best when you want immediate execution. Limit places the order at a specific price you set or better, which helps you control entry price. Stop converts to a market or limit order when price reaches your trigger level, which is useful for breakouts and protective stops. If you're unsure, confirm the order type is correct before proceeding. The order type is one of the most important settings on the ticket, so take a second to verify it matches your intent. As you work through the ticket, remember that opening it does not place a trade. You can safely click any of the 4 methods to bring up the ticket, adjust fields, and review details without sending an order. The platform will only submit the trade after you explicitly confirm inside the ticket, typically by clicking a Place Order or Submit button. If you decide not to proceed, simply close the ticket and nothing changes in your account. To recap on screen, click the plus button on the price scale to open a ticket directly from the chart. Use the buy or sell buttons in the chart legend to open a side-specific ticket in one click. Right-click the chart, choose Trade, then create New Order to open the ticket from the context menu. Or in the Account Manager, click Trade to open the same ticket from your account area. All 4 paths lead to the same place, and every ticket supports market, limit, and stop orders. That's it. You can now open order tickets in TradingView quickly and confidently using any of the 4 methods, and choose the order type that fits your trade. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.